Now, there is a feature that YouTube has recently added to YouTube to enable we, the upcoming content creators, to get our 4,000 watch hours within days. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you in a screen recorded video. Meanwhile, if this is the first time of coming across my videos, hello, my name is Grace, and you are welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow on YouTube. Yeah, so if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that are struggling to get their 4,000 watch hours on this YouTube street. You all know that getting your 4,000 watch hours is the main cocoa on this YouTube street. For you to monetize and start cashing out on this YouTube, you need to have your 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And you all know that the 4,000 watch hours is the main deal here. For you to get to your 4,000 watch hours, oh my God, hey, you make a lot of videos and pray hard, so hard. If God favors you, you get it so fast. Some people are very lucky to get it fast, some people are not. Some people get it within months, some people get it within years. Do you understand? So it depends on how, God help you. Yeah. So anyways, I'm going to be taking you through a concrete video and share with you this new feature and how you can go about it to get your 4,000 watch hours. All right, we are going to be using Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome first of all. Don't worry, let's just go into screen recorded. So for us to start with, you have to come to your Google and type silent live stream. Now you have to come here because you have to get a good live streaming image for us to put it as our thumbnail as we want to go live. All right, so once you are here, just scroll down. Now this is one of it. All right, silent live streaming. Just go down and check the one that you can go for or you will go for. All right, so there are a lot of it, so I'm going to click on it. So once you click on it here, yeah, so many live streaming images will come out like this. So now all you need to do is to just go for the one that you want to go. Let's go for this one. All right, so I'm going to take a screenshot of it. Yeah, you can take a screenshot of it. All right, or just take anyone that you would want to go for. Let's snap this one as well. So I'm going to screenshot this one as well. So yeah, so now after taking a screenshot, don't go yet, there's another thing for you to do. Yeah, another thing you should also get is a good image, like a flower image, a good flower image. So just go ahead and type a flower image. So once you type it, you see lots of lovely images here. I'm going to be telling you what you're going to be using these things to do. So a lot of flowers has come outside, so just go ahead and then screen grab the one that you would want to go for. Just I think I love this one, so you're going to go for this one. Yeah, just go ahead and take a screenshot of it, screen grab it. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of another one as well. Yeah, so anyone I choose is alright. Once you're done, just come over to your gallery and you'll see everything that you screenshotted. Look at one of the images that we screenshotted. So just go ahead and then screen grab it, just like edit it. Do you understand? Just crop it. Alright, just come here and crop it to your taste. Alright, so just crop it. Crop it. Make sure everything is on point. All right, so once you're done, you click on save, copy. We'll do the same for the flowers that you've screenshotted as well. All right, go ahead and then edit it. All right, just crop it to your taste. All right. So after doing all of those things, you come over to your YouTube channel, click on live. When you click on live, you see this plus button. All right, you click on the plus button. Now when you click on plus, first of all you click on this icon here that looks like pencil, this pencil icon. Now over here, what you will do is to put in your thumbnail and put this video to either public or unlisted. So first of all, for you to put in your thumbnail, you have to click on this icon close to your picture here. So when you click on it, they will say upload thumbnail. Take thumbnail, click on upload thumbnail. Yeah, when you click on upload thumbnail now, it will take you to this place, to your gallery where we have already downloaded those pictures. So you click on any of it. For example, I'm clicking on this silent live streaming. Alright, so when you click on it, you click on save. Yeah, do you see this place has changed to this silent live stream? Alright, so now the next thing you need to consider is this visibility. You click on it, make sure it's on public, okay, because you want the public to see it now, right? If you put it on listed, nobody will see it except to share your link to somebody else. Do you understand? So you go ahead and click on public. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be leaving it at unlisted. Emphasis, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be leaving it at unlisted, but for you that want to go live, just click on public. Make sure it's on public first before you go live. All right, so I'm going to go back. So the video is already on unlisted. All right, so and then another thing is this audience. All right, make sure you put it at no, it's not made for kids, because your channel is not for kids. Now, the number we used to do it at our dashboard, make sure it is on no, it's not made for kids. This one like this now is already set on my channel. Do you understand? It's permanent setting that I've already set on my channel, so there's no way I can change it. Do you understand? I can change it to, but it's just like that, except I go and change it with my own hand. That's when it can change. All right, so let's go back. So once you are done doing all these things, now the next thing you need to do is to click on go live. All right. So now we are now live. All right, live. So first of all, you have to silence the live stream. For you to do that, you have to click on this icon here. All right, so to put the your video on live on silence, I mean to put it on silence. All right, first of all, you have to put your video on silence there by clicking this place, because if you don't put your video on silence, everybody can hear what you are saying from your end. All right, so you put it on silence, don't forget. Now the next thing for us to do is to click on this icon, the green screen effect. Now this is the new effect that YouTube brought to new content creators. Yeah, so the basis of this green screen is for us to bring in pictures to our live streaming. Even if if you don't want to show your face, if you're someone that is shy, that you don't want to show your face, don't want people to see your face, just use this green screen and bring in those beautiful flower that we did. Do you understand? I put it here so nobody can see you, so people will just come and watch the video, and then they'll be like, what is going on here? And as they are coming in to watch the video, you are accumulating more watch hours for your channel. Do you understand? So now let me teach you how to go about it. All right, so you click on this green, this is green screen effect. Now you click on done again, you go back again, you click on it. So now this is the green screen effect. You're not seeing my background again. Do you understand? You click on done, so you go back and click it again. Do you understand? Now when you click it now, this pictures, this flower that we've downloaded will show here. Make sure it's already saved on your gallery, or let me just say you've already screenshotted it, and then edited it in your gallery and saved to your gallery. Do you understand? So you go ahead and click on the flower here. You allow it to load. Do you see now? The flower has already shown. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. I'm on my face. So I'm a mom. I was just walking and walking and walking. So after everything, so let me just go ahead and do this video. So you just go ahead and bring in the video. Now let's see the magic that this thing will perform now. Do you understand? So you go ahead and click on done again. So now click on done. Do you understand? So now once you click on done, just remove your face. Hey god, this is the magic. Hey, this is the magic. This is where the magic is. So just go ahead and remove your face. Guys, are you seeing it? My face is not there and I can still live stream. People will just come here and watch and they'll be like, what is going on here? There's no face here. And as they are staying and as they are there wondering, then your watch time is increasing for you. As they are there wondering, so what's going on here? Your watch time is increasing for you guys. So this is the magic that YouTube has come up with, alright. So you can just remove your face and then it will still be live. This is you can still remove your face and still be live. You can still bring it that back. You can still bring it back whichever you want it, guys. So this is so beautiful. And anybody that comes to watch and then if as they are wondering what is happening, your watch hour, your watch time is counting for you guys. So hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't also forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to grow on YouTube here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.